Recording.
Okay, so what's happening today? A lot of things. Very exciting. First of all, we have this. This is the first time our friends have seen this contraption in the ground. Second of all, we have this. We have this power line coming from the power pole, finally. So we have water and we have power. Both exciting things. Let's go turn it on and see what happens. We've moved into the 21st century at Honeywood Bend. So here we go. We're going to turn on the sub panel that powers the well. We're going to turn it on right now. This is live action, right? So Thomas, the contractor, says I turn this one. Yes?
Yes. Towards the inside.
Aren't you cute? Should I leave this open, I guess?
Yeah, you can leave
Let's
that
go
open.
inside and see what's blown up. Oh, wait a minute. Nothing's
Go ahead.
blown up there.
Yeah. Go ahead and
Oh,
open
we
the
have to
panel.
turn this one on, too. This is the new panel. Oh, God. That says well pump, well control. Both of them?
Yes. Okay. Now, over to the pressure switch. That lever, flip it down.
This one?
Yep.
This little one right here?
That one. Okay, watch the gauge.
What's the gauge doing? It's not moving. Oh, it's moving
building
very
pressure.
slowly. You got to get closer. We're going to see if Thomas's every single joint holds, right? Oh, it's moving fast now. What did that mean?
You just turned off. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and relieve some pressure here.
Is 40 PSI good?